Hello students, today we are learning about prepositions, how to use preposition in our language. We should know what kind of preposition should be used according to the noun. Most of the time we get confused about using it because we don't know what preposition should be used. Now we are going to learn examples. On the board you can see at 7 o'clock. On Monday, in April. Now we are learning at 7 o'clock, 9:30, midnight. Look at the examples. I work at 7 o'clock. The bank closes at 4 o'clock. Now we are learning on. On we use with Sunday, Monday, 24th April, 5th June, Christmas Day. Now look at the examples. Meet me on Monday. He came on 24th April. Now we are learning in. In the box you can see June, April, 1970, 1875, summer. Now we are learning examples. I started my work in June. He met me in summer. Now we can learn them very well. Thank you.